Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to clean your email list on Brevo. So guys, after logging your account here, and what you have to do, just click contacts as you can see here, and after that guys click use Sigma template, and after that guys you have these three options. Click on active email, subscribe, and from here you can choose your specific emails or specific period, for example last month or something like this. And what you have to do, scroll down, click this icon here guys, and click as you can see here. As I say, wait guys, I have this problem. Click this contact and click on use template Sigma. And what you have to do, click contacts, click this here, and what you click this option and click with more action guys, this option more action, click space and delete permanently, this one permanently delete from TV Sigma template, and click this one and select your period here guys. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.